Let's walk you through how to use your impression kit, step by step. Choose the Order an Impression Kit option at checkout. Once your order is placed, we'll prepare your kit for shipment. Let's take a look at what's inside your kit. You'll receive a prepaid return label and a courier bag to send it back to us. Included are 3 sets of base and catalyst dental putty, an instruction manual, and an information card. You'll also receive both small and medium-sized trays for upper and lower arches, and a pair of nitrile gloves. Before you begin, set up a clean, well-lit space near a mirror. Brush and floss your teeth thoroughly, prepare a timer, and wear the nitrile gloves provided to maintain hygiene. Step 1. Choosing the right tray size. Avoid trays that press too deeply into your gums or feel too small to cover all your teeth. Choose a tray that fits securely, fully covering your teeth without overly extending beyond your gum line. Set aside trays that don't fit and keep the one that fits best. Step 2. Mix and squeeze the putty. Begin your timer for 25 seconds as soon as you start mixing. Quickly and thoroughly mix 1 set of base and catalyst putty until the color is even and uniform. Step 3. Load and seat the upper tray. Quickly roll the mixed putty into a smooth, even cylindrical shape. Evenly spread the putty into the impression tray. Start your timer again for 3 minutes and 30 seconds for seating. Align the tray with your teeth, aiming to keep it as centered as possible, using the guidelines shown, and gently bite down onto the putty. Ensure all your teeth are fully submerged in the putty, and hold your bite steadily without any movement for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Step 4. Carefully lift the tray out without twisting or rocking it side to side. Refer to the Impression Quality Check Guideline to ensure clear detail, full depth, and no bubbles or distortion. If the result isn't satisfactory, repeat the process using the spare putty. Step 5. Repeat the entire process for the lower arch using a fresh set of putty and the correctly sized tray. Step 6. Rinse both impressions under cold water and allow them to dry completely. Place both impressions back into the original Ziploc bag and return them in the same box. Fill the information card and place it inside. Securely pack the package to prevent movement during shipping. To process your return, attach the return label and drop off the package at any drop-off point based on the courier indicated on the label. Once we received your impressions, crafting will take 2 to 3 working days before your order is ready for shipment. In just a few days, your custom dental appliance will be delivered straight to your doorstep, crafted for comfort, durability, and a precise fit. Every order is backed by our 30-day warranty, giving you added peace of mind with your purchase.